Alright, before we get down to the explanation of the fourth question, this is a structure which you will get in a lot of questions and you've got to be very wary about it. Here, the first part, the formation of the first part and the formation of the second part is reversed. Now I'll explain how that works. If I were to attack it in a more simplistic manner, the combination of elegance is something which is good. And something, I don't know what that something is, in Edmund's speech can be startling, which is surprising. So probably there's an element of good and bad in the first blank. Now, the combination of elegance and something in Edmund's speech can be startling, surprising, especially when he slyly slips in some juicy vulgarity, which is bad, amid the mellifluous circumlocutions of a gentleman of the old school. So mellifluous, sweet-sounding circumlocutions of a gentleman of the old school is good. So the format or the structure that we get here is good, bad, bad, good. So this where A, B and the second part becomes BA. This is called chiasmus. So the blank that we look at has to do with vulgarity. So we'll go looking at the options where we're looking at very simply vulgarity. Now, so the answer is earthiness, which relates to vulgarity. Another word for earthiness would be raciness, RACINESS. So the answer therefore is D, which is earthiness. That brings us to the end of the explanation for the fourth question.